Oh, hey, I'm Antonio.
I'm Mark.
Oh, hey guys, I'm Hunter Dan.
Hey guys, we're Group 13 Meth, and today we're gonna be, Group 13 Math, and today we're gonna be showing you guys how to properly reconstruct a computer and going over all the computer components. Take it away, guys.
Hey guys, so here we have the graphics card. It's the GTX 970. It is used to play all the games that you may want to use or play on your computer. We have RAM sticks, multiple RAM sticks, all right? 5 here, this totals in 24 gigs worth of RAM. A bit excessive, but always needed. We also have a wireless card. This is what you use to grant access to Wi-Fi.
Howdy! We have the computer tower that houses all of the parts. We have our power supply that supplies power to all of the components of the computer. And we also have more USB ports with a USB hub that goes inside the housing unit.
All right, here we have the M.2 drive, which controls the speeds of your boot and load times of your computer. All right, here we have the LED controller, which controls your computer's LEDs. And here we have the hard drive for the computer, which just stores all the information of your computer.
Next we have our computer fans. They keep your computer nice and cool. Make sure there's an airflow so it doesn't get too heated in there. Next we have our CPU cooler, which connects with thermal paste and has a water flow that keeps your CPU cool. Lastly, we have our motherboard and CPU, all housed in one nice little special unit. All this black is the motherboard. It connects everything else in your computer, power supply, RAM, graphics card, anything you can think of, all reconnects here. Along with this little part in the middle, that's the CPU. That's where all the processing goes through.
First step is to put the power supply into the computer unit.
All right, next up, we're gonna put the RAM into the motherboard. I'm gonna do so now.
All right, next we're gonna put the M.2 drive into the motherboard.
Next step is to put the motherboard into the computer tower. Next up, we're going to put the CPU cooler into the case.
All right, next up, we put in the graphics card, this GTX 970 into the computer tower.
Alright, so next we're going to put the hard drive into the computer tower.
The next step is to insert your internal USB hub
Alright, next step, we're going to install the LED controller into the tower.
Next, we're going to install the fans. Our last step is to make sure everything's properly wired. Hey guys, we're Group 13 Med, and today we're gonna be. Oh, sorry. Just gotta wait till.
Alright.